I would like to say that IOCS is one of the finest spas in the city of Bombay, and obviously it's one of the best here. It's got to be one of the best in the country, and I absolutely love the way that they've done the hair of the women around here, and it just goes on to prove that they are really the best, and there can be never a doubt about that. Thank you.
People have come and asked me about how good it is, and I've only been talking about it. This is perfect, and I think I'm coming back again after I'm done walking.
Hi, this is Shivani Kashyap, and I just got my hair done. Really lustrous. The whole look is. At IOCS, I think it's probably the fabulous training that they have, and making the person feel really, really comfortable. And they explain exactly what they want, what I want to find.
I love the hairstyle and obviously the service, and the girl who did my hair was very good and very professional, so I would love to come back.
Daria Puri here. I love getting my hair done from IOCS. The staff there is extremely friendly. I've known Kiran for a long time, and she has always been extra sweet and goes out of her way to accommodate me, even if I want to come late at night. And it's really brilliant to be going to the salon, and since it's very convenient for me, it's in Bandra. All the staff there is fabulous. They're really good at their work. I highly recommend the salon.
TJ, I'm actually really happy that IOCS was here doing the hair today, because usually when it's a big fashion show like this, hair is always at a budget. It comes at a cost. So we generally do it ourselves and touch it up, let them do something. But today I left it to IOCS, and I didn't know that Vineet had arranged such a nice look for us. It was done big blow dry, exactly the way I like it. And because I have long hair, it's a little difficult to manage, but they did it perfect. I think I do best.
It looks perfect only when her hair is done well. A woman, I feel, is always beautiful. When her hair is done beautifully well, I think she looks charming. So Vineet is there for, Vineet is always making us look charming. Just see, my hair is done by him, and I really love it.
Look at this, her hair looks gorgeous.
Thanks, Vineet, for making me look so gorgeous.
Thank you so much, my pleasure.
And my Sia wants to say a bite.
I like iOS, and my hair is comfortable.
She's always comfortable to go only to IOCS to make her hair.
I love my IOCS. I'm a huge fan. Not only for the massages that it's famous for, but also the styling that it does. Beneath here is the stylist with IOCS. And what the best part about IOCS is that you just have to go there and tell Beneath or Kiran, this is the look that I want. And before you know it, they know exactly what's in your mind. It's like they're reading your mind, and you just have to go there stress-free, and you'll get what you want, or maybe much more than that. So yeah, that's it. I love my look today, and
I think IOCS is a class apart. There's IOCS taking spot number 1 to 50, and then the rest. It's an experience. This guy here is a sheer genius, nothing less than genius. And every time we go there, he somehow manages to surprise us by bettering the experience every time. Absolutely fantastic. We are die-hard loyalists of IOCS.